Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change language in Instagram application. So first of all, you need to go to your profile here in the right down corner side here. Choose your profile, then go to the three line option here in the right corner here. Go to the three line option, then go to settings here. Tap on settings, then go to account option here. Tap on account. Then you will see an option called language here. As you can see, here's the language, and you can choose any of the language from here. So for example, if I choose here Indonesia here, then it will turn all the menu and the settings into Indonesian language here. As you can see, if I go to my profile here, it's everything is on now Indonesian language here. And if you want to change the language again, just go to the three line option here again, go to the settings, go to the account, and go to the language here and change to English back again. So that's it guys, this is how you change your language in Instagram. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.